Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoom apps for meeting integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoom account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Apps section found in the sidebar. Click on the Marketplace option to explore available integrations. Use the search bar to find the specific app you wish to authorize for your meetings. Select the desired app from the search results to view its details. Click on the Install or Authorize button to begin the integration process. You may be prompted to review the permissions required by the app. Carefully read through the permission details to understand what access the app will have. If you agree to the permissions, click on the Authorize button. Next, you'll be redirected to a configuration page for the app. Fill in any required fields, such as your meeting details or preferences. After entering the necessary information, save your settings. Now, go back to the Apps section to verify that the app is listed under your authorized integration. To configure the app further, click on its name from the list. Review and adjust any additional settings or options available within the app. Once all settings are configured, you can proceed to use the app during your scheduled Zoom meetings. Finally, test the integration to ensure everything functions as expected before your next meeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.